Hello, today we will guide you through how to scan for stocks in Thinkorswim. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and clear so you can quickly find stocks that match your criteria using the built-in scanning tools. Start by opening the Thinkorswim app. Give it a moment to load. The platform is powerful and can take a few seconds to initialize, especially the first time you open it in a session. Once you're in, look for the Scan section. This is where you'll set the conditions that narrow the market down to the symbols that fit your trading plan. Click on Scan to bring up the scanning workspace. You'll see an area where filters can be added and adjusted. Think of filters as rules you'll apply to the entire market. The more specific the filters, the smaller and more targeted your list will be. Next, click on Add Filter. This will let you introduce a condition, like price, volume, percent change, or other attributes. Adding a filter doesn't change anything yet. It simply opens the door for you to define what you want to include or exclude. Now click on a sample filter. The sample options are useful starting points because they come pre-labeled and are easy to understand. Choose a filter type that matches your goal. For example, a price-based filter if you want stocks within a certain range, or a percent change filter if you're hunting for movers. Enter a sample value for positive or negative movement, depending on what you're trying to find. For instance, if you're looking for stocks that are gaining, set the threshold to a positive value. If you're seeking pullbacks or decliners, set it to a negative value. Be realistic with your inputs. Very strict numbers can sometimes return few or no results, while broader values will cast a wider net. If you're unsure, start with moderate settings, then refine as needed. With your filter in place, click on Scan to run it. The platform will process your criteria and display matching symbols in the results area. Review the list that appears. You can sort the results by clicking on column headers, and you can quickly spot candidates that meet your interest. If your results are too long, consider tightening your values. If nothing shows up, loosen them slightly. That kind of small adjustment is often all it takes to dial in the scan. And that's it. You opened Thinkorswim, went to the Scan section, added a filter, chose a sample filter, entered a positive or negative value, and ran the scan. Practice these steps a few times, and you'll be able to build scans with confidence and speed.